our regular guests. That's why we are, that's why we are so blessed the things here. And we are so privileged to serve you for her pre-wedding party. And but for now, we'll just here to enjoy. You're going to do ceramic baking. Can I ask who has experience of doing ceramic baking? So quite a few. Most of you doesn't have. So I'm here to give you some brief explanation of how to do it step by step. I'll give you some basic techniques that you can use. But for now, you have to know what to do. First, actually, you have to do ceramics at the time. One is a mug. This is a mug, which is, it will be your personal mug. So this will be your mug. You can keep it. This is your aside from that, we have one set of dinnerware, which we will give it as a gift to our friends. Okay, so we have the dinner set will be 6 mugs, 6 dinner plates, and 6 bowls. So total of 18, and that will be, we will take it and we will give it to the couple. Okay, so the rank. Okay, so as you can see on your placemat, there are some color charts, and you have this. Actually, we have an actual color. If you want that one, you can also check it out. This is the actual color. So you have this slip with you. You have to choose at least 5 colors. Okay, but you can share the color. So I believe you can get all the colors here. And this right in the bowl. And yeah, and then as soon as we give you the color, I'll give you the explanation of how to do that. And by the way, when as soon as the man arrives, we will do a thumb print. And do a thumb print. For everyone. A thumb print, and then you put your signature, and then our art will make a best use of the decoration and the couple of our gifts. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Another technique is the graphitor. When the paint is totally dry, you can scrape off letters or drawing, anything. Just scrape it off. As soon as the white is and another way of doing this light, to coat it with one color, and then coat a different color, and then you scrape it. The color at the bottom will show. That's another technique. And you can also do spatteling. You can use the brush, spatter it like this. You just spatter with your finger, and you can do the spatter. But the result, I was surprised because of the, it's very nice because of the So is there any question, madam, about painting? If you do, you can ask us. And what am I doing? I guess. So for now, we'll wait for the color and color breaks, and then we'll start cleaning the ceramic. By the way, I'm sorry, I also have underglaze pencil. This is a special pencil. Upon request, you can request from me. This is permanent. This is the result. This is not the ordinary pencil. It's not like this. I forgot to bring my